Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. Hey, it's time for the KitKat Easter 2023 Ensemble. And KitKat brought out these 5 products in Germany. Here we got the mini eggs. I've got the flavor standard and the flavor caramel flavor. Good. Then I got these cream-filled bunnies and this empty bunnies. And hey, we got a female and a male. Yeah. So female got ribbon and male got ribbon. Hey, let's rip it. Okay, did not expect this. Let's see how the other one looks like. So there is some crispy stuff going on here. And here Nutri-Score E, of course. They're both identical on the inside. A little bit disappointing now, but yeah. Like the figurine itself got a little face printed on. And KitKat, and that's it. And now comes the legendary drop test. So basically I drop the empty figurine and see how much drops it can take. 1, broken. 2. Only on my channel, just a little fun here, my friends. As you can see, it's empty inside and has this crispy texture. I guess I want to eat something. Come. So this feels basic, straightforward. Yeah, I like it. Let me check out the chocolate quality. The chocolate is very smooth. Smooth velvet. No itching. Yeah, this is nice chocolate for mass chocolate eating. And before I check out the fancy eggs, I go for these figurines first. And it's inside, it's packed again already. This will be my nice cut. Because you all know I always cut stuff. So this is over packaging, I would say. Yeah. So there we have it. And what I want to check out now is whether the figurines are different. This would be spectacular. Now it's always the same. But what I have to say, I like that the figurine is the big one and small one has like identical features. And now it's time to cut this little chocolate bunny. Here we go. Straight cut. I always cut stuff. And here we go. Here's the filling. And there's crispy stuff inside again. Very good. So I guess I also want to cut this direction. Okay. Second attempt. Here we go. So this is what the filling looks like. And let's eat. Let's eat one of these little guys. Okay. Look at this. They're hiding in a hole. Oh, what happened to the camera picture? So I want to make a video of the 2 stripped chocolate products. Maybe I strip all of them. So let's get the mini eggs. Caramel flavor. And these look, I have to say this, it looks kind of cute, doesn't it? Yeah, there's a smell. It smells like Lindt chocolate now, for whatever reason, because Lindt also uses caramel. I think the other one, the standard one, looks similar. Okay. This, look at this. This looks like art, doesn't it? Looks like an artwork. Here we go, and I want to cut this one. I cut in the other direction it was manufactured. Here we go, I always cut stuff. Wow. So, we have a filling. And I guess I eat some caramel flavor first. Yeah, definitely caramel. Yeah. This is intense. This is intense, actually major experience. Quite good. Now the standard one. And then we are finished for today. So, I always cut stuff, also this. Oopsie. So I have to be more precise, I think. Here we go. Okay, and this filling is more brownish. The caramel is more beige and the standard one is more brown, more like the original chocolate. And let's have one of these as well. Okay. So, that is also crispy. Alrighty, my beautiful friends. I clean up the table, then get the logbook, and then write down the rating. Alrighty, so here we go. I have to say I enjoyed this product very much. It's nice chocolate quality, no itching whatsoever, very velvet. I like that they all had a common theme. They all had these crunchy cereal pieces inside. And yeah, the whole style was fun and cool. So of course you are cool if you are wearing a Ray-Ban. So there is no other rating than win for this one. Yeah. So this was KitKat Easter. Yeah, I write it wrong. It's spelled like this. Oh my god. Easter stuff 2023. So if I write something down in green, it means it's win. In case you don't know, my beautiful friends. Oh, I wrote it down wrong. I have to hit it. Okay. Alrighty, so this happens if you have a crazy production. And I simply correct my mistake. I just write down here, it's not 45, but 41, and I make 41 the 45. A little bit mixed up, but anyways, I know what it means and it is fine. So, tomorrow I will eat some food item. Today was candy, tomorrow is like proper food. And this is, I just opened the freezer, this is yummy. The potato sticks. It says spiced potato pre-fried with apple dip. So, see you tomorrow. Hope you liked this video. Yeah. I hope you liked that I did all 5 products in one take. Thanks for watching. See you soon.